Well, this is what I would like to see happen here in St. Louis. And I think it would help cut crime. We won't stop it, but at least I cut it down some. I would like to see crack houses be torn to the ground. I'd like to see all those crack houses scrapped. I'd like to see the gangs be ripped apart. And I want the parents in those troubled areas to help educate and teach these kids not to do stupid stuff such as gangs and drugs in the first place. Yeah, this man here, if I would have pulled something as stupid as drugs and stuff like that, I would have been grounded, and I would have been spanked for it. That's what would have happened when I was a teen. So it goes to show we need to do something to educate these kids, to teach them to no to drugs. But I tell you what we do need to do, we do need to tear the crack houses down. We need to tear the crack houses down, and we need to take the gangs and take them apart. That way we can help cut down on some crime here in St. Louis.